What's up guys? So in this video I wanted to share my experience using some remanufactured ink cartridges I recently bought for my old HP NV6455E printer. Now this is an older model, probably discontinued at this point, but it is still working fine for my needs, so I didn't feel like replacing the entire printer just because of the ink. While looking for replacement cartridges on Amazon, I came across a brand called Eco Victor Store. It is a store on Amazon. It had a good number of positive reviews and was also marked as Amazon Climate Pledge Friendly, which is always nice. And the cartridges had a number of features that I really like. So, which are these? The price was lower than the original HP cartridges. And the brand advertises better yield than HP's standard ink cartridges. So for example, about 650 pages for black and 350 for color, which is more than the standard cartridges usually offer. And the brand also claims to use upgraded chip technology that tracks ink levels, which is important because some third-party cartridges simply skip that and then you can't monitor the usage or ink levels through the app. And you just run out of the ink, and then oh, I don't have any ink. So it's nice that these have these chips. So I figured for the price, high yield, and the reviews, it was worth a shot. Worst case, I would just go back to HP's ink cartridges. I mean, what's to lose here? So since not everyone may be familiar with how to replace cartridges, especially if you're doing this for the first time, so here is a step-by-step guide. Turn on your printer, make sure it is idle and it should be connected. Lift the scanner lid and to access the ink cartridge area. The cartridge holder will automatically move to the center. Wait for it to stop moving completely, then gently press down the old cartridge to release it. It should pop out easily. Take the new cartridge out of its packaging. Make sure to remove the plastic tape covering the copper contacts or ink nozzle. Slide the new cartridge into the correct slot. Black on the right, color on the left. Press it until it clicks into place. Once both cartridges are in place, close the scanner lid and wait for the printer to recognize the new cartridges. As soon as the printer detects new cartridges, it will automatically print a page and ask you to put that page in the copier face down so that it can align itself. And once you put it face down on the copier side and close the lid, then it will ask you to press the color copy button, because the button will automatically start printing it, and the instructions will also be listed on the page it prints, so don't worry about it. Once that is over, it's done. You have new ink cartridges now. Once the cartridges were in, I printed a few pages to test things out. The color print was also surprisingly decent. Not ultra premium quality, but good enough for homework, basic color prints, and home office use. The black text came out looking sharp as well and clean. No smudging or gaps. So overall, here is how I would sum it up. If you're using an older HP printer like mine 6455E or something in the NV or DeskJet series, because these ink cartridges are compatible with a number of models of HP printers, and you don't want to spend a lot on ink and also want something better than the standard one, then this could be a decent option. The print quality is good for everyday tasks, documents, light photo printing, homework, etc. And it installed without issues, and the chip seems to be working fine for tracking ink. So would I recommend it? I would say if you're okay with third-party alternatives and want to save some money, then sure. At least from my experience, it worked out just fine. Just make sure to check if your specific printer model is listed in their compatibility list before buying. And let me know if you have tried in the past some remanufactured cartridges or if you had any weird experiences with them. And thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.